how to create a theme on Microsoft Teams. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a theme on Microsoft Teams. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams into your preferred browser. You can also open the application itself, and then from here, click on this right icon, which you'll find at the right side of the video call icon. So that will allow you to create a new chat on Teams. So since what we want to do is to create a team or create a group on Teams, we'll need to go ahead and add two individuals on this specific group. So go ahead and enter their name here, email or phone number. So if that individual doesn't have a Microsoft Teams account, you can go ahead and invite them to create a Microsoft Teams account. So you'll find this invite button in here. Now after that, you'll need to click on this down button at the right side of the two sections. So that will allow you to reveal the group name section. So as you can see in here, you can create a group name for your team in here and then add more individuals by entering their name, email, or number into the section. And that is how you can basically create a team on Microsoft Teams. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.